pièce balance.
That's all I needed to hear.
Maxwell, what are you doing?
I'm getting this party started! That feels good.
Outrageous.
Can he do that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh boy. Daisy, isn't that your boy in the swimming pool?
No. You know I don't go for bad boys.
Are you crazy? You want us all to be replaced by CGI? Oh, man! This event's becoming dreadfully common.
Oh, wanna do it?
Oh, yeah, sure, you betcha. Come on, everybody. This is what we need. This is chaos.
What are you waiting for, Sprinkles?
Oh, pugs don't flow. Look out, don't go.
Party, 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 party.
That is some fine canine.
Now to get in that room.
Impressive, but maybe you should save your big splash for the final competition.
Got any more insider tips you can share?
Maybe, if the price is right.
Well, let me see what I can do. Tell you what, meet me outside the hotel after Maddie goes to sleep. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got some business to take care of.
Congratulations, gentlemen. You will soon be in possession of this year's Best in Show.
Best in show. Uh-oh. Think of something, Max.
Inbreeding.
There's that ringtone. Oh, I got you now. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Deal's closed. 3 minutes.
Wow, it's one of the most beautiful creatures I've ever seen.
Let's see.
We got it. I'll be there. Yeah, we got the money. We have spoken as
Which one of you has my panda?